In the meantime, JLP Communication Task Force Chairman Senator Abka Fitz-Henley says the PNP's Paul Buchanan's quest to overturn the general election results in Prime Minister Dr. Holness's constituency is shameful. This morning, the appeal court rejected Buchanan's application for leave to challenge the Supreme Court's dismissal of his bid to pursue judicial review and overturn the general election result in West Central St. Andrew. But the PNP caretaker was quoted as saying he's willing to take the case as far as the Privy Council. Now, Senator Fitz-Henley says there's no merit to any further litigation on this matter.
The decision of yet another court in Jamaica, this time the Court of Appeal, to decline Buchanan's application for leave is not surprising. Neither is the finding that his application has no real prospect of success. Anybody who follows the politics in Jamaica knows that the votes which were counted last in the election are from an area where Prime Minister Holness is traditionally very strong. Buchanan knows this, but his persistence is not surprising either. It's an indication, a reiteration of the modus operandi of the PNP, where they are willing to assert what they know is not so in order to secure political mileage. It's shameful, quite frankly.